Students, now we will discuss general comparison of the first and second, third. We can say first series with the second and third series. General comparison of second and third series with the first series. Okay. We have already read that the elements of the second and third transition series have very similar properties, while they show some differences from the members of the first transition series. And these differences are: number one, let us start, this was the anomalous configuration. We can say anomalous electronic configuration. And you have seen in the previous chapter that in the first series, chromium and copper both shows anomalous configuration. That was, for chromium it was (3d5 and 4s1), and for copper it was (4s). Means anomalous means which is different from what it should be. So, two members of the first transition series show anomalous configuration, and this is because this is attributed to the extra stability that has been linked with the filling of the half-filled or the fully filled orbital. Extra stability because of half-filled and fully filled orbital. So this was for the first transition series. Now for second and third transition series, we have seen that besides having the anomalous configuration due to the half-filled and completely filled d subshell, and that was seen in case of the molybdenum, which had the configuration of krypton, which had the configuration of, this is a noble gas, and the molybdenum has 4d5 and 5s1. And for silver, which has 4d10 and 5s1. And then comes gold, which has, after molybdenum, now there will be xenon. After krypton there will be xenon, and here will be 5d10 and 6s1. So these have the configurations, these have the anomalous configuration because of the extra stability that is associated with the half-filled and the fully filled orbitals. This was for the second and third transition series, and this was for the first transition series. In second and third transition series, these three members will show the configuration. They will show anomalous configuration because of extra stability of half-filled and fully filled orbitals. Besides this, there are several other members which will also show anomalous configuration, but the reason there will be different. Now let's discuss what are those. For example, we have seen niobium. Niobium has 4d4 5s1. Then ruthenium has 4d7 Ru 4d7 5s1. Then rhodium RH has 48 5s1. Then palladium has 4010 5s0. And this was for the second series. And for the third series, they are the third series, this will be seen in case of platinum, which has 5d9 and 6s1. And then your iridium, this is in the third transition series, and this was in the second transition series. Iridium, which have xenon and 5d7 6s2. Now these are also the irregular configurations that come across second and third transition series, but they are not because of the extra stability of the half-filled and fully filled orbital. These irregularities are because of the nuclear electron and electron forces. These are because of the nuclear and अपने electron forces. Let me explain in Punjabi once more. बेटा जी जब असी पहला फर्स्ट ट्रांजिशन सीरीज आप पढ़ी सी, देयर वी हैव गॉट उत्थे सानू 2 क्रोमियम ते कॉपर मिले सीगे, जिन्हां दे कोल एक्सट्रा स्टैबिलिटी दे वजह करके हाफ फिल्ड ते फुली फिल्ड ऑर्बिटल्स दी एक्सट्रा स्टैबिलिटी दे करके उन्हां दे कोल दोनों का एनोमलस कॉन्फिगरेशन देखने को मिल रहा सीगा। पर जब आप सैकेंड एंड थर्ड ट्रांजिशन सीरीज नूं गल करांगे तो बिसाइड्स this factor, that is extra stability of the half filled and fully filled orbital, there are several other elements that will show irregular configuration and which are not because of these factor. Now ਹੁਣ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸੈਕਿੰਡ ਐਂਡ ਥਰਡ ਟ੍ਰਾਂਜੀਸ਼ਨ ਸੀਰੀਜ਼ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੋਲਿਬਡੇਨਮ, ਸਿਲਵਰ ਐਂਡ ਗੋਲਡ, ਇਹ 3 ਮੈਂਬਰ ਆ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਇਰੈਗੂਲਰ ਕਨਫੀਗਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਦੇਖਣ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਲਦਾ ਆ, that is because of extra stability of the half filled and the fully filled orbital. पर जब ਆਪਾਂ ਬਾਕੀ ਮੈਂਬਰਸ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ, for example in case of the second transition series we talk about niobium, and then we talk about ruthenium, then the rhodium, then the palladium. These two show irregular configuration. ये भी irregular configuration show करते हैं, पर इत्थे वजह आ वाली नहीं गी, एक्स्ट्रा स्टैबिलिटी वाली वजह नहीं गी. Here is the reason is somewhat different. इदां ही जब आप थर्ड ट्रांजिशन सीरीज पे जाते हैं, that is for platinum and iridium, they do show the irregular configuration. This is not because of the half filled and fully filled stability related to these two, but it is because of the nuclear electron and electron forces. So this is all about the electronic configuration, anomalous electronic configuration. This is difference of the first and the second third transition series. पहली ते दूजी तीजी ट्रांजिशन सीरीज दे विच पहला डिफरेंस आ गया अपना एनोमलस कॉन्फिगरेशन दा। हुण मैं नैक्सट वीडियो दे विच अगले जो डिफरेंस है वो तुहानूं दस रही हाँ।